So I got my package from the gold shop. As you can see, here's the card holder. Here's the actual card. Now I've been noticing on YouTube how a lot of people been showing off their custom pendant, their tennis chain, the Cuban link chain, even a prong chain. So I decided to do a video on something a little different. So as you see, I'm opening it. As you can see, it says the gold shop. I should say it says the gold. And this is the handcuff, the iced out handcuff. There you go. Look at that. Fully iced out. As you can see. Opens up. Solid white gold. As you can see. From the gold shop.